next awardee is an organization located in Mumbai, Maharashtra. This organization's name means diversity. In essence, the company works towards diversity hiring and equality and inclusion, sensitization requirements with various organizations. The organization strongly believes in empowering diverse workforce, including recruitment of women, LGBTQ plus community, and persons with disability at all levels of hierarchy. They also strive to achieve equal opportunities employment through their service. Their ultimate goal is to deliver great value to the organizations who believe in a diverse workforce and encourage an inclusive work culture. They have gotten a wide variety of media recognition from articles in the Asian Age, Newshook, and Media HR Summit 2019, and I request our guest, Mr. Ashok Selvan, to present the award.
The award goes to Vividata.
Vividhata,
Vividhata.
diversity hiring.
Hi everyone, thank you so much. Am I audible?
You
Yes.
are, but before you speak, you can have your video play.
Sure.
And IICON 2020 award, Inclusivity Champion Award. We're so glad to give it to Vividhata, diversity hiring of Mumbai, Maharashtra.
Thank you so much.
Over to Ratna, a few words.
Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you for this award. It means a lot to us and we're humbled by it. A few things maybe I might like to say here. First of all, congratulations to all of the other fellow awardees. You guys are so inspiring and you all are doing some amazing work out there. And also thank you to Headway Foundation for the award. Like I said, it means a lot to us. So there was this previous discussion actually that was where Deepak sir was speaking, and he happened to answer a question which was about why everyone keeps talking about only the 7 disabilities and not the other disabilities, right? And the answer to it was very simple, which was mentioned by Deepak sir, which is out of sight is out of mind, and so that is what we are working towards at Vividhata Diversity Hiring Consultants. We try our best to make sure that there's visibility and there's representation of persons with disabilities at various large corporate organizations across the country, right? So the clients that we have are mostly MNCs and large organizations where inclusivity and inclusion is the first thing, and where they have all the policies set up. There would obviously be no discrimination against you at all of the organizations that we hire for. So because they're very, very inclusive and they make sure that all the policies are aligned towards the inclusion of persons with disabilities, not only specific type of disabilities, across the disability spectrum is what we work for. The other thing that I would like to mention actually is that currently, as you all know, during the COVID-19 situation, there are hardly few job opportunities actually available around the country. In fact, people are being laid off and people are facing salary cuts as well, So during this time, we have decided that we are going to further our agenda of visibility and representation. And for that, we have launched a campaign called #Vividhata Answers, which is VIVIDHATAA answers, right? And in this campaign, we are covering a lot of stories. People from all over the country have come on our Instagram live sessions and they have spoken about their stories. And mostly these stories that persons with disabilities are talking on our Instagram live sessions are about their experiences, their challenges, their struggles, and of course, if there has been any kind of discrimination against them at the workplace, in the society, they're talking about it. So it is important to highlight these stories according to us, and that is exactly what we're doing with this particular campaign, hashtag Vividhita Answers. This is currently happening on our Insta page called @Vividhita_diversity_hiring. And of course, towards the end, if you are a diverse candidate, that is, if you are a person with disability, please log on to our website, which is www.vividhita.com, which is vividhat.com, right? It would be really great to actually be working for the south of India as well. We only currently have presence in Bangalore to some extent, and we are providing our some job opportunities to people from Bangalore. But across the south of India is what we intend to reach, and Headway has given us that opportunity to pretty much reach out to all of India, right? Thank you so much for the award once again. Thank you, Headway Foundation, for this platform. And we really, really are humbled with it. Thank you so much, everyone.
Thanks, Ratna, for giving us this information. And yes, you spreading across to South India, from Chennai, from Tamil Nadu, Headway Foundation is there to anytime collaborate on this project, and we would be happy to do that.
We would be more than delighted to have the collaboration. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.